Artrade was established in 1993. During the last 25 years, the main profile has been toy production. Our new product is the magnetic dice-on-dice, which was manufactured by manual assembly. Artrade's My Toys are assembled from 10 up to 60 pieces. The DIH² Robo4Toys technology transfer experiment focuses on the dice-on-dice toy, which is made in various colors in left and right hand versions. It is composed of 5 plastic components integrated with 6 pot magnets.
Prior to the Robo4Toys technology transfer experiment, dice-on-dice components were molded on Industry 1.0 injection molding machines, as seen here molding our ready-made fish feed tank.
The part manufacturing is highly automated. The plastic components are injection molded. The toys, however, are manually assembled.
We have 11 years of experience in automating plastic production. Riplast Ltd developed and installed a robotic injection molding station and 2 robot assembly stations for the production of the dice-on-dice product. The PLC-controlled injection molding station uses a robot with exchangeable vacuum grippers to mold performance quality control using a machine vision system and place components on trays transferred by a conveyor belt.
A 2-robot assembly station assembles both left and right-handed dice-on-dice products. The plastic components are picked from trays previously filled in at the injection molding station. Pot magnets are picked up from dedicated feeders. With the support of the Horizon 2020 DIH² project, we developed 2 solutions to typical challenges of SMEs, including Artrade Ltd, in the open-source Fiverr software ecosystem. The first solution is an OEE microservice that informs operators and managers in real time on factory dashboards and client devices. The second solution, therefore, is a manufacturing execution system microservice that alerts operators and production managers on the factory dashboards and mobile devices when a manual task is due in the production process. The operator has just received an alert on the tray exchange operation.